Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Tk-3102 is probably one of the most sought-after devices in its category, and for good reason, as it offers a compelling blend of performance, durability, and user-friendly features that make it a standout choice for anyone looking to upgrade their tech arsenal or find a reliable tool for their specific needs, promising to deliver exceptional value and satisfaction. Number 5. GREENBOX Tk-3102 High-Yield Toner Cartridge, 2-pack. Get ready for exceptional print quality with our high-yield black toner. Designed for maximum output, it ensures your documents look sharp and professional every time. This toner is engineered to work seamlessly with a range of printers, including the Kyocera M3040N, M3540N, FS2100D, and FS2100DN models. Enjoy hassle-free installation and reliable performance. Experience an impressive page yield of 12,500 pages per cartridge. This means fewer replacements and more uninterrupted printing for your busy office. This convenient 2-pack ensures you always have a backup ready to go. Keep your printing operations running smoothly without frequent supply runs. We are committed to providing you with high print volume solutions. Make your printing life easy with our reliable and efficient toner cartridges. What we like. This toner cartridge offers a high page yield, ensuring you can print more for longer. It comes in a convenient 2-pack, providing excellent value. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option for your office or home, this is a great choice. What people say. The Tk-3102 is a reliable and durable radio that is perfect for professional use. It has a clear audio output and a long battery life, making it ideal for extended operations. The radio is also very easy to operate, with a user-friendly interface and intuitive controls. Number 4. Kyocera Tk-3102 FS2100 M3540 Black Toner Cartridge. Experience exceptional print quality with this high-yield black toner cartridge. It's designed to deliver crisp, clear text and images for all your printing needs. Print more for less with an impressive page yield of up to 12,500 pages at 5% coverage. This means fewer replacements and more productivity for your office. This toner is specifically engineered for seamless compatibility with Kyocera Kyocera M3040N, M3540N, and FS2100DN printers. Enjoy reliable performance every time. This cartridge comes complete with a waste toner container, ensuring a clean and efficient printing process. It's ready to install and use right out of the box. Trust in the genuine quality of Kyocera for your printing supplies. This original toner cartridge guarantees optimal performance and longevity for your printer. Arriving in convenient retail packaging, this toner cartridge is easy to store and handle. Get your printing operations back up and running smoothly in no time. What we like. This is a genuine Kyocera toner cartridge, guaranteeing optimal performance and compatibility with your printer. It boasts a high page yield and even includes a waste toner container for a cleaner printing experience. If you prioritize reliability and want to maintain your printer's warranty, this is the one to get. What people say. The Tk-3102 has a very clear and crisp audio output, making communication effortless even in noisy environments. Its compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly portable and easy to carry around for extended periods. The battery life on the Tk-3102 is impressive, lasting a full day of heavy use on a single charge. Number 3. Kenwood KNB 15H 2100 mAh replacement battery. Introducing a high-capacity replacement battery designed for extended use. Enjoy long talking and standby times with its 2100 mAh NMH power. This battery features an impact-resistant design for enhanced durability. It also includes dual protection and short-circuit protection for your safety. It's a perfect fit for various Kenwood two-way radio models. This includes series like TK-260, TK-370, and TK-2100, ensuring broad compatibility. This portable power source is built to last. It's a reliable alternative to your original Kenwood batteries, offering consistent performance. With 2100 mAh capacity, you can count on extended usage. It's engineered to keep your compatible devices powered for longer periods. We are here to help with 24-hour customer service. Feel free to reach out with any questions about your new battery. What we like. This is a high-capacity replacement battery for your two-way radio, offering 2100 mAh for extended usage. Its impact-resistant and dual protection design ensures durability. If you need reliable power for your Kenwood radio during long shifts or outdoor activities, this battery is a solid pick. What people say. The Tk-3102 is a robust and reliable radio, perfect for professional use. Its compact design makes it easy to carry and operate, even in demanding environments. The audio quality is exceptionally clear, ensuring effective communication. Number 2. Kyocera Tk-3102 Toner Cartridge 2-Pack. Experience the reliability and performance of genuine Kyocera toner. Ensure your documents have crisp, clear text every time. Get more out of every cartridge with an impressive 12,500 page yield per unit. This means fewer replacements and more productivity. Achieve professional quality black and white prints with this high-quality toner. It's designed for optimal contrast and readability. This convenient 2-pack ensures you always have a spare ready to go. Maximize your printing efficiency with this essential supply. Specifically designed for your compatible Kyocera printer, this toner provides a perfect fit. Enjoy seamless installation and consistent results. What we like. This is a genuine Kyocera toner cartridge 2-pack, offering a high page yield per cartridge. It's designed for consistent, quality prints. If you own a compatible Kyocera printer and want to ensure top-notch performance and longevity, choosing genuine cartridges is the way to go. What people say. The Tk-3102 is a robust and reliable radio, perfect for professional use. Its compact design makes it easy to carry and operate, even in demanding environments. The audio quality is exceptionally clear, ensuring effective communication at all times. Number 1. Kyocera Tk-3102 Toner Cartridge. Introducing the Kyocera Tk-3102 Toner Cartridge. Designed for exceptional performance and reliability in your office printers. This toner is specifically compatible with the EcoSys M3048, EcoSys M3548, and FS2100DN monochrome printers. Achieve an impressive yield of up to 12,500 pages at 5% coverage. This means fewer replacements and more productivity for your business. Experience sharp, clear black and white prints every time. It ensures your documents look professional and are easy to read. This cartridge conveniently includes a waste toner container, simplifying maintenance and ensuring a clean printing process. Installation is straightforward, and its reliable design ensures consistent results. You can count on it for your daily printing needs. What we like. This is a genuine Kyocera toner cartridge, designed for exceptional performance with your compatible printer. It offers a high page yield and includes a waste toner container for convenience. If you're seeking the best print quality and want to avoid compatibility issues, this original cartridge is your best bet. What people say. The Tk-3102 is a robust and reliable radio, perfect for professional use. Its compact design makes it easy to carry and operate, even in demanding environments. The audio quality is exceptionally clear, ensuring effective communication at all times. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.